In this video, we're going to be running through the link type. Now, the link is very easy to add. You just create a category and you set the category's type equal to link. Now, let's go ahead and run through the different attributes of the link tag. The first one that we see here is the title attribute, and this is just a name that you give the link. The next one we see here is the source, and that's the final destination to where the link will link to. The next two are poster and thumb, and the poster is bound to the tile view, and its attribute should be no larger than 256 by 256, and this is just an image that you want to represent that link. The thumb is very similar, while it is ultimately displayed in the list view, and it should be no larger than 48 by 48, and it also is an image. The next attribute that we see here is what we call features. And this is really bound to when you want the link to open up in a new window. So this first one that we have, market validation service, if we jump out to PlayIt and we refresh this and we open up this link, we'll see that it opens up in a brand new window. And this is because we've set the features attribute. And if we remove this features attribute and save this, refresh it, we will see that it will open up into a new tab. That is the default behavior when you don't have the feature set. And you can set the width of the window, the height of the window, whether there's a menu bar. These are typical of your window.open object in JavaScript. So you find any of these particular attributes on that particular setting of the window.open object, and you can easily set those here. Now, we do have all this online in the online documentation, so you can find out what the rest of those attributes are. Now, you can also set a target. If I set the target equal to my window on this link, and I set the target on a subsequent link, let's go ahead and set this target equal to my window also, then is what it will do, and we refresh this page. If I open the link here, I come back and I open PlayIt again, it'll open up in that same window. So that's a way to use the same window if you want to on the link object itself. Now, the last one here is just a dynamic element, and we've gone through these in the image video, but you can create any type of dynamic element that you want. You can give it a name, whatever you want, and you can give it the value of whatever you want. You would just want to make sure that your fields have that value if you want it to display in any of the view panels. So this is a high-level run-through of the link tag for PlayIt.